All right, here is the number one reason why the Singer featherweight motors blow up and they don't work anymore. I'm going to use my pen as a pointer here, but what happens is right inside here, see that grease there? Everywhere I talk to, you get somebody that has a featherweight, and what they do is they keep adding grease. And the problem is, they keep adding grease, and you keep adding grease. Eventually, the grease has nowhere to go. The grease goes inside the motor. Then you keep running the machine. Then the motor will have to be replaced. The only place that makes a replacement motor is Alpha. I see those. Those are good replacement featherweight motors. But then again, if you don't want your featherweight to blow up on you, stop putting grease. You got one hole here and one hole on the other side here. And what happens is they're just filled with grease. The grease goes right into the motor. The motor blows up. Stop adding so much grease. I mean, you might need grease maybe once every 5 years, but you're blowing up your motors by adding too much grease.